As time elapsed, I have propagated a lot of hybrid vinca plants through seeds and cuttings. At the very beginning, I want to tell you hybrid vinca is not an easy growing plant. Rather, the normal vinca plant grows through pollination in each pot of our garden, and above all, we do not value them even though they look alike. Anyways, these are all the hybrid vinca with different color species. Today in this episode, want to share some unusual note that I have experienced last 2 years. Watering and sunlight are the two crucial factors that should be understood for hybrid vinca. Overwatering is just like poison for the vinca plant. They are very sensitive to water. When a plant is sensitive to water, always remember the soil should be extremely porous. The flowers last for 3 or 4 days, then they gradually dry. We will not trim flowers in vinca plants and let them dry. These are the seed pod. They form after flowering is over, and then they dry and rapture, and then they disperse. Some of them fall on same pot and seedlings develop near the mother plant. Right now, the seedlings are very delicate. We will not disturb them at all. These are the seedlings that you can see. Let them be stable. We'll transplant later. All will not survive rather. Root rot is the major problem of hybrid vinca. 2 months before, this plant suddenly started wilting and green leaf fall even though pot soil was moist. Without delay, I took out the plant from the soil, kept it under open air for 2 days, then inside fungicide water for a night, then into dry soil having much coarse river sand without adding water to the soil, only spraying water to the stem and leaves to keep the plant hydrated. But my bad luck, under extensive care, the beautiful white vinca did not survive. The big mistake that I had done was I could make some cuttings on day one, but I was then struggling to save the plant. I suppose you can very well see the state of the plant. These are the bitter part of gardening, which equally can be shared with the good part of gardening. So friends, today would like to tell you that hybrid vinca can die all of a sudden and you will never know the reason why. Before this happens to you, always make cuttings and propagate many plants. You will not lose hope but will be happy with the baby plants. Secondly, the mother plant after 10 months or after 1 year, they show different characteristic features like yellow leaves, bud drop, green leaf drop and root rot. They do not survive more than 2 years or so. If your plant has shown the first set of bloom, quickly make cuttings and grow more and more vinca plants. Use much amount of gravels underneath pot. Use a lot amount of coarse river sand in your garden soil. Add vermicompost, neem extract and fungicide powder. City with much sunlight and high temperature, give only morning sun, but city with low temperature, apply half-day sunlight. Keep this plant under airy space with bright light. Friends, these vinca plants I have grown from seeds. You can watch the previous episodes also. The link will be attached on the screen. Now, how will you know when to make cuttings from the vinca plant? So do not disturb when your plant is in full bloom, but gradually you will find your plant is losing its luster and retard growth, and flowers become smaller in size. Do not hesitate, just quickly make cuttings and place them in soil. This is a pot where I had placed some cuttings some days before, maybe 20 to 25 days ago. Before you place the vinca cuttings into the soil, make the soil loose and gently put the cuttings. Remove the lower leaves. Vinca cuttings usually do not die. 80% will surely survive. Friends, the foremost note to be kept in mind, that is, have patience. Okay, now I will not spray water because all day rain and rain and rain. But you have to do so, I suppose, if your city has high temperature. So it's done. We'll give you the follow-up. Let the cuttings grow. Only you have to stay connected and subscribe my channel. Press the bell button and keep watching the other videos too. This vinca plant was about to die and I had lost hope, but somehow it survived. Again, there is another story on this plant. A crow pecked the plant for 4 days. On and on. I trimmed the stems, took it out from the soil, placed the plant to a new pot in new soil and kept constant watch. Now this is the present state of the plant. The leaves are different from the pink variety. The leaves are healthy, aren't they? I feel happy and relaxed when I can save the plants and they recover to a good state of life. It takes 40 minutes to just check my plants in my garden whether they are all right or not. So that's all for today, friends. Hope this episode will help you a lot on Vinca. Your support and cooperation will develop Garden Hill and my potential.